Can you say that again?
I love you.
I love you too, Kira. What are you eating?
That's when I'm cooking.
How is it?
Good.
Did you just get home from school? Yeah.
How was school today?
Did anybody go into timeout?
Mm,
Is anybody in the red?
Anybody go to yellow?
I didn't.
You don't go to yellow, do you? Are you good for Mrs. Stroll? You do what she tells you to do?
I got just some more donuts.
That's Pop Pops.
Oh, then I give it to him and I'm done. But he wants to come over.
We'll do some later.
And so I've just donuts and such and Marie and let me see if there's a pie. This is my favorite.
Wait, pull your shirt down.
No. 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 Kira.
I'll give this to Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Not Papa.
Pop up will eat it.
Oh, we can spit it.
I just had a cookie.
Do you want to spit it?
You want to spit it?
Well,